Red Pocket offers prepaid wireless plans without contracts, making cancellation straightforward. Prepaid plans mean no contracts, so cancellation is simple and direct. You can cancel online through the Red Pocket website or mobile app by calling customer service at 1-888-993-7327 or by visiting a participating retailer like Walmart or Best Buy. Online cancellation is the most common method. Processing typically takes 24 to 72 hours, after which your line will be deactivated and any remaining data or minutes will expire. Make sure to retrieve any important contacts, photos, or other data that you would like to keep from your phone before canceling. Now let's review how to stop auto-renewal, keep your phone number, and handle final bill tips. Auto-renewal is usually enabled by default. To disable it, log into your Red Pocket account via the website or app, go to Manage Plan, and turn off the renewal option. Stopping auto-renewal doesn't fully cancel your line. You must request account closure separately. If you want to keep your number, initiate a port-out request to your new carrier before canceling with Red Pocket. Red Pocket may charge a $10 porting fee, waived in some cases like the 2025 California settlement. Ensure your new provider has the necessary account number and transfer details. Porting usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Finally, review your account for any outstanding balances before canceling. Red Pocket will send a final bill via email or app, including prorated charges and any overage fees. Unused prepaid balances are typically refunded within 7 to 14 days. Keep an eye out for any state taxes or surcharges on your final bill. Always cancel during a billing cycle to minimize charges and document all interactions for potential disputes.